Welcome to video 5 of our Baron 58 paint and interior completion. We left off in April of 2023 having to put the old interior back in and not getting the paint done due to annual delays. We had other paying customers that were scheduled in and their work came first. We have picked the project back up in the month of November 2023 and we've made significant progress. From our prior videos, you should have seen the honeycomb quilting that we did for the seats. We also purchased an STC aviation design lower sidewalls and armrests. Unfortunately, regardless of how much I tried to buy the raw panels from Aviation Design, the panels came upholstered. Since I was going with a black and tan color combination, I wanted something more exciting to break up the solid black leather, especially since we're not putting the folding table back in. That's a lot of empty, bland space. And unfortunately, if we're going to change the design, that means we had to remove the leather from the existing panels. We decided to go with a hexagon pattern on the lower sidewalls to complement the honeycomb pattern on the seats. As you can see in this video, we first have to create the honeycomb pattern in the sidewall foam, and then shape the leather to create the embossed look. While the sidewalls are out, might as well add USB ports to all passenger positions. The seat structures have been completely stripped and are being covered in a new durable Herculite layer. This is part of the seat structure itself. You'll never really see this after it's covered with leather. Back to the aircraft itself, you can watch progress taking place. A new wool carpet that complements the design of the overall interior has now been installed, along with the hexagon sidewalls. Everything looks really great. We're experimenting with a smaller version of the honeycomb pattern that will be on the seats to use for the accent panels of the upper sidewall. How do you think it looks? As we work on the seat designs, the seat structures themselves are placed back into the aircraft to check for gaps and tolerances. Since the original wood will no longer match the new interior, we're sanding the finish off to refinish with a nice black stain that will show the wood grain. And then the paint shop will apply a clear coat to the wood. Speaking of the paint shop, work has begun on this as well. All flight controls and removable cowlings are being removed in preparation to be painted separately. Earlier in the year we did the boots. We never got around to the inner ones, so that's going to be done now. Since we were putting the aircraft down once again, we decided to put in the Garmin GDL 60. It has PlaneSync connected aircraft management system. I'll probably do a video on this later. In short, it provides automatic database updates requiring really zero effort from the pilot, engine and flight data logging, remote aircraft status, and flight plan transfer from a mobile electronic flight bag. If you're interested in seeing the final product of the Paint and Interior Baron 58 project, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications.